Hey y'all, welcome to Life Through My Lens, working as an optician. 30 years of experience. My name is Shirley. Today we're going to talk about cleaning your glasses. Well, not so much cleaning, but caring for them, period. How to take care of them. Okay, first thing, don't clean your glasses on your shirt. That's only going to scratch your lenses. The proper thing to do would be to wet your lenses and use a cloth. And when I say wet your lenses, I mean with mild soap and water or lens cleaner, not glass cleaner, not any type of soap that has any additives in it. Those things will destroy your lenses. Mild soap and water or lens cleaner and a cloth. No paper, no tissue, no Kleenex, no toilet paper, no paper towel, none of that. No paper. This will keep your lenses looking good. Okay, the other thing I want to talk about is extreme heat and cold. Exposing your lenses to extreme heat and then going into extreme cold will cause them to craze. It could be something as simple as you come in from outside and you open the oven. Your lenses are cold, that hot air hits them, they're going to craze. You can't leave your glasses in your car. In the wintertime, they're exposed to very cold temperatures, and in the summertime, they're exposed to very warm temperatures. It will cause your lenses to craze. Also, you want to keep your lenses in a case. When they're not on your face, they need to be in a case. Don't wear them around your neck. Don't hook them to your shirt. All of those things, you don't realize that you're rubbing up against stuff and you're going to scratch your lenses. And this is something that I tell kids when they first get glasses for the first time. Just something to kind of help them remember. Not on your face, they should be in the case. If you are going to sit them out, you're going to want to sit them down on the temple portion. So you want to sit them on the temple portion, not resting on the lenses. If you do that, your lenses will scratch. Another thing that I see people do is taking their glasses off with one hand. That causes them to stretch out over time. Constantly doing this, pulling them from one side is going to be a lot wider than the other one, and then they're not going to fit properly. I have people come in saying, my glasses, when I put my head down, they just fall off. 9 times out of 10, it's because they're a one-hander or they wear their glasses on their heads. Don't wear your glasses on your heads because it only stretches them out. And then they don't stay on when you want to wear them to see. So yeah, you want to clean them properly. You want to keep them in the case. When you're handling them, you want to handle them properly. Take care of them. If you're going to sit them out, sit them on the temples, not on the lenses. No extreme heat or cold. Only use lens cleaner and a cloth, or mild warm soap and water and a cloth. No tissue, no paper towel, no Kleenex, no toilet paper, none of that. No paper. Do not wipe your lenses dry. Okay, the lenses must be wet. Because if you wipe them dry, if there's anything on there, you're just rubbing it into the lens. If you've experienced where your lenses have those circle scratches, that's from you cleaning it without wetting it, using paper or not wetting the lens before you wipe it. I'm trying to think of what other things I've noticed as an optician. Try not to sleep in your glasses, because you will roll over on them and break them. That happens a lot. This is something I see all the time, believe it or not. Do not get on a roller coaster with your glasses on unless they are strapped to your head. At least once a year, somebody comes in and says, I lost my glasses on a roller coaster. to me, it's just like common sense. Why would you keep those on? Okay, if you need to keep them on the seat, they need to be strapped to your head so they don't come off. What else can I tell you about taking care of your glasses? If you have a puppy, put the glasses up where the puppy can't get them. Dogs like to chew glasses. I don't know what to tell you. I don't know if it's your scent or what it is, but dogs like to chew glasses. So if you have a puppy, because puppies will chew anything, but adult dogs will chew glasses. But mostly if you have a puppy, put your glasses up, out of reach, out of sight. Because dogs are smart if they want to get something. But yeah, dogs will chew glasses. Other things can I tell you about taking care of your glasses? I think that's the main stuff that I see as far as taking care of glasses. Cleaning them on your shirt, not keeping them in a case, wearing them around your neck or on your shirt and you scratch them up, leaving them in extreme heat or cold, taking them off one-handed or putting them on your head. Now, another thing that I see, and this isn't taking care of glasses, but it has to do with glasses. If you're really a contact lens wearer, with a lot of people who have very high prescriptions, they'd rather wear contact lenses. If that's you, that's fine. But you need to have a pair of glasses. I had a patient just this week. Well, actually, his contacts were ordered in the beginning of January. Oh, no. Actually, it was December 30th that these contacts were ordered. The manufacturer had a back order. And this person is a -7 and a -8, very high prescription. Does not own a pair of glasses. So they ran out of contacts. And then it was, oh my God, what am I going to do? What am I going to do? Well, first of all, you shouldn't wait until you get to your last to order more. These are daily lenses. They come in a box of 90. So I would say you would want to start worrying about ordering your lenses when you have about 2 weeks of lenses left. This patient has been a long time patient, so the doctor gave him some trials to get him through. But he didn't get those contacts until yesterday because I was off yesterday. The day before he called and I was like, look, I had checked on your contacts. I know that they were supposed to ship on the 9th and they did not, and they couldn't give me any kind of estimated date. So let me call again and see what I can find out. Well, when I called again, they had been shipped. But it takes a couple days. I thought it would take a couple days, but it didn't. He got them the next day because he got them yesterday. Because when I got to work today, I checked it, and there was a tracking number showing. And with the tracking number, they show us a picture, and I could see that they were sitting on his front porch. So don't wait until you are down to your last. And if you're a contact lens wearer, please get yourself a pair of glasses. Like my daughter is -7 something in both eyes. And she wears contacts on occasion, but she has glasses. She's one of those people that sleeps in her glasses too, though, so they're always been up. She always breaks them. And so since we get coverage every year, she wasn't going to buy glasses because she was like, well, I don't have any money right now. Don't wait till the end of the year and realize you haven't bought glasses for the year and you're going to lose your benefits. Don't do that. But I told her, I said, even if you don't have money, just come in and get what's covered. And there'll be a backup pair because you know you're always breaking yours. Because she really can't see, she keeps her glasses right in the bed with her so that when she wakes up, she can put them on because she can't see. And she always rolls over on them, breaks them. or somebody else rolls over on them and breaks them, or sits on them, or steps on them, or something. Her glasses are always breaking, or she's losing them. So make sure you have an additional pair, especially if you have a prescription that's high and you can't see without correction. But caring for your glasses, I think that just about covers everything. So that's really all I have for you today. I will keep coming every day with the video. All right, guys. Make sure you go and check out my playlist. Check out my videos. There's a lot of information there about eyeglasses, exams, contacts. Go over and check out the playlist. Hey, until next time.